Welcome, everybody. This is the Day Trading Options Daily Review for May 11th, 2016. We're here to show you that you can make 10% in 10 minutes. We need to be quick. Alan needs to get on the road. So, Alan, were we able to do it? This was a day that was kind of up and down and flat. So it wasn't actually a strong market move in any direction. So obviously, it was a day that you could not make 10% in 10 minutes.
So they say.
Oh, am I wrong? Are you going to
And
prove me wrong again?
If man were, no, I'm going to prove you storyline is interesting. Yeah, man, we're not meant to fly, wings and all that stuff. So here we are at Netflix. It's looking good for red. It's not great, but it's looking good. So I bought the put, and let's just see how this goes. There's 1 minute, 2%. Now we're getting close to 9:45. Things could turn around. We're just going to see. We're in profit, so we have room to wait it out. So there's 11% right there.
Perfect.
And yeah, you guys can play with it and go, "Ooh, I could have made more." That's right. Maybe you did. Maybe you didn't. So here's APC. You can see that the setup here has been garbage, and it's finally breaking the risk zone. It's got both color tint happening. The market's green at this point. This is at 10:31. So it's obviously turning strongly up. And you can see that with this black line, that's the market line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. And it probably is going to keep going because the market is fully green.
Wow. So there's a lot of power in the market behind this, which will pull the stock up.
Yeah.
But we're not greedy.
We're not greedy. Hey, getting paid's awesome.
Yeah. Well, just can you go back to that one just for a second?
Yeah.
And just go a couple minutes further just to see. Yeah. See, there was a nice little run.
Yeah. You got a Y point, but you're in profit, so you can hang around. So it breaks the Y point. The market's still nice and green. So there's your blue star, which quite often is a turn.
Yeah. We love the blue star. See the star in the sky, the wise men. Follow the star.
Yeah. You can buy, groceries, money is right here. Get it. Take your money. So here's the last one for today in Baidu. So here we are. We're on the red side again. So, it's been a little choppy. This was an old trade here. Here, it's now a fresh trade. It's 10:45. If there was a turn, it's coming. But it looks like the market is fairly on the red side. It's a little bit mixed. So we may have to get out quickly, or you can skip it. That's your choice. But this looks pretty good. And on the 60, you can look at that and see how you like it. But on the 60, this thing is good. It's already heading to new territory in recent days. So here we go. 1 minute, nothing's happened. We're break even. It's fluttering around. So this is where you go, oh, it's moving my way. Maybe I will hang around. And then it's like, well, maybe. But when you start seeing these, that's pretty good. You haven't seen one of these green tall ones. So you're hanging around. And the markets generally move a little slower after, 10:30. So here you got your 12%. And we're going to say that's good enough. But you can see with these bars down here, lots of volume. And if we go look at the market again, just based on these colors that you can get put on for you, the market was red, then it was green, and now it's red again. And so what did we do? Well, we bought for a put, which is for the red side. We bought a call for the green side, and we bought a put for the red time. And so you made your money, but just quickly, because you can look at the time here, 9:46. So in this time, just looking at here mostly, we went with the red side. And from 10:31 to 10:36, that's this time, actually just there, we went with the green side. And for Baidu, we went with a put. And so this was just turning red. We saw it better on our stock than in the minute log than we did on this. But anyways, we're just following how things work, and we're not inventing anything, so we don't have to figure anything out. There's the 60 chart right here, so you don't have to think it all through. It's telling you that this thing's been for the last 7 days, trending red, and it broke for deeper red. That's a pretty safe trade.
Yep. Awesome. Thank you, Alan. So this is the day trading options daily review for May 11th, 2016. Hopefully we've shown you that it's possible to make a little bit of money, certainly much better than the banks are going to give you in a short period of time. Of course, you need to learn it. You need to practice. You need to look at whatever sort of self-sabotaging things go on, because we see that all the time, and deal with those things. So the system works, the program works. We got to make sure we work. Please hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner so you don't miss an exciting episode. In the bottom, we've got links to our courses. With the course, you get a 30-day free trial so you can use the software, see how it works for you, and then prove for yourself that the system works and everything that does exactly what we say. We don't want you to take our word for it. We want you to know with no doubt that you can do this, because we think that you can do this. And that's it for today. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.